Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a music on your video in Capcut. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to add a video in your timeline. After that, you have to click on this music icon. Here you can see you have to click on this music icon. Here you can see after that, what you need to do now, click on this music icon. After that, you have to click on this. Here you can see file manager icon. Click on this file manager icon. Now click on this device icon. Here you can see. Now here you can also add any music from here. You can also search any music from your here. You can also search your favorite music from here. For example, this is my favorite music. After that, you have to click on this plus icon. Here you can see, click on this plus icon. Here you can see. Now here you can see music added in your video. You can also increase and decrease the volume of the music by clicking on this speaker icon. In this way you can add a music on your video, using CapCut. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.